don't
think anyone's
wanna
home in
rock
this
and roll no more. At least not the way I
Me and
did.
little bro's about to take it out day before Thanksgiving.
Back before that life tried
oh yeah, I don't
to
even
kill
think
me.
anyone's seen my new truck either.
Tell the truth, it never thrilled me. I don't wanna rock and roll no more. I don't wanna rock and
Hooked
roll.
up. All y'all working.
I
Y'all
don't
wish us
need
some
that
luck. Maybe we might
whiskey
catch some
anymore.
fish today. Huh.
Yep.
And alright.
It's not the way I did
Y'all have a good one.
back before. That stuff tried to kill me. Tell the truth, it never thrilled me. I don't want that whiskey anymore. I don't need that whiskey. I don't mean to disappoint you. There's a chance I'm going to. Some
It didn't even
people
hook him all the way, did
only
it?
like me when I'm stoned.
You got lucky there.
Yeah, the crowd was a whole lot bigger
It's small.
that I just can't
Huh?
remember.
Not when they 5 inches.
I don't need that whiskey anymore. I don't need that whiskey.
Get him, son.
I don't wanna miss you anymore.
What you got? Is it decent or is it a little weenie?
Just want you
Holy
right
catfish.
here in
That's a
my
nice size.
arms.
Hang on.
This old life's still trying to kill me. You're the only thing
Give me the
that's
line.
filled me.
Woo.
And I don't wanna miss you anymore. I don't wanna miss you. And I don't mean to disappoint you, but you know I'm going to. Sometimes I'd lay it all down and come back home.